Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well, and if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to achieve a card list on Trello. If you guys want to delete it, this is the possible option on Trello. So I'm going to teach you right now how to do that. So at first, you must go into the board and click on the card list that you want to delete or archive. I'm going into this board as of now. So after you're inside the board, you click on the three dot icon across the card list that you want to archive or delete. So I'm going to delete this one or archive this one. So at here, after you click that, at the bottom you'll see archive this list. So you click on that, and the list that you have just selected will be archived. You cannot see here now. You can even see in the activity that Risam Gurung just archived list to do. So if you want to archive all the list that is present on a board, you simply click on the three dot icon again and click on archive all cards in this list. So after you click on that, all the cards will be archived and it will be sort of deleted, but you can retrieve it again later. So I click on that. They'll even ask for it. So you can see here, you can bring them back clicking menu and on archive items. So you click on that and all the items has been archived. So you can see here, this is how you archive everything, and you can even archive it again. So I believe I've taught you guys how to archive your card list on Trello, and if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.